Welcome. Question number 3, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghana. Objective test question. The first term in an arithmetic progression, AP, is 3, and the sum of the first term and the sixth term is 20. We have to find the eighth term. So for an arithmetic progression, we know the number of terms in the sequence is given by a plus what? N minus 1 times the common difference. So where n stands for number of terms. So if we are given first term, meaning u1 is going to be a plus 1 minus 1, 0. 0 times d. That will cancel. So this is the first term. Now, the first term also has been given in the question. But we can say that the sixth term will be a plus 6 minus 1, 5 times what? D. This is what we have. Now, we have sum, which is first term plus what? The sixth term is given to us as what? 20. So I'm going to ignore. You can see U1, U6, U1, U6. They represent what? A plus 5D. So A plus what? 5D equals to 20. But we have been given the first term as 3. So if I have 2A plus 5D equals to 20, but A equals what? 3. That means I'll have 2 times 3, 5D equals to 20. Fast forward, this will be 6, 5D, 20. So 5D will now be equals to 20 minus what? 6. And D will become 14 divided by 5. Let's put that on our calculator and see that will be somewhere, I think 2.8, right? That will be 2.8. So common difference is known. First term is known. The eighth term, which will be A plus 8 minus 1, 7D. By substitution, this is going to be 3. This will be 7 times 2.8. If you multiply that, you should be getting 19.6. Adding that together, 22.6 should be the term we are looking for. Let's check which one. Okay, the option B become the preferred word choice. I guess well understood. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.